Hello my dear student and welcome back to the class 7 of mathematics. We were studying chapter 1 integer. Now let's start today solving exercise 1.1 and question 3rd, 4th, 5th and 6th from 8. Okay, so let's start one by one. So the question 3 from exercise 1.1 is at Srinagar temperature was negative 5 degrees Celsius on Monday and then it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. What was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? Now, on Wednesday, it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. What was the temperature on this day? Okay, so I will suggest you to read this read this example again to understand it better. Okay, so let's start solving it. So, first note down what is the temperature on Monday. On Monday, temperature at Srinagar is how much? It is negative 5 degrees Celsius. Now, on Tuesday, what happened on Tuesday? It is what? It is dropped. Dropped मतलब what? It कम हो गया. अभी temperature क्या हो गया? कम हो गया. So temperature on Monday it is negative 5 degrees Celsius. Now on Tuesday temperature is dropped by 2 degrees Celsius. So what is the temperature on Tuesday then? Let's find it. So temperature on Tuesday, since it is dropped, I am subtracting it from the previous day temperature. So negative 5 minus 2. The answer is a negative 7. Now why negative 7? Both are negative. So add the numbers 5 plus 2, 7. And both are negative. So answer is also negative 7 degrees Celsius. So this is the temperature on Tuesday. Now what happened on Wednesday? On Wednesday it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. मतलब अभी temperature बढ़ गया है. So बढ़ गया है मतलब what we have to do? We have to add this 4 degrees Celsius to this negative 7. Okay, so on Wednesday temperature rose by 4 degrees Celsius. So temperature on Wednesday is negative 7 plus 4. Okay, both are of different sign, both integers of different sign. So subtract them. 7 minus 4 is a 3 and 7 is bigger, which is negative. So answer is a negative 3 degrees Celsius. Thus the temperature on Tuesday and Wednesday was negative 7 degrees Celsius and negative 3 degrees Celsius respectively. Let's go to the next question. Question number 4. A plane is flying at the height of 5000 meter above the sea level at particular point. It is exactly above submarine floating 1200 meter below the sea level. What is the vertical distance from it? Okay, see this picture carefully. It will give you a clear idea. This is a plane, this is a submarine. Now this plane is flying exactly above the submarine. Now it is how much distance above the sea level? That is a 5000 meter above the sea level, while the submarine is floating 1200 meter below the sea level. And what we have to find out? We have to find out the vertical distance between them. Means the distance between the plane and the submarine. So it will gives you that it means we need to add this distance. Okay, let's start. Height of the plane above the sea level is 500 meter. 5000 meter, 5000 meter. Then floating a submarine below the sea level, that is a 1200 meter. So the vertical distance between them, I am adding that 5000 plus 1200, 1200. So answer is a 6200 meter. So thus the vertical distance between the plane and the submarine is 6200 meter. Okay. Let's go to the next question. Question number 5. Mohan deposits rupees 2000 in his bank account and withdraw rupees 1642 from it the next day. If withdrawal of amount from the account is represented by negative integer, then how will you represent the amount deposited? Find the balance in Mohan's account after the withdrawal. Now remember, डिपॉजिटिंग अमाउंट मीन्स व्हाट? हम पैसे बैंक में डालते हैं. एंड विड्रॉल मीन्स व्हाट? हम बैंक से पैसे निकालते हैं. सो ऑब्वियसली विड्रॉलिंग अमाउंट इज रिप्रेजेंट बाय व्हाट? नेगेटिव इंटीजर, बिकॉज हम पैसे निकालते हैं. और जब हम पैसे डालते हैं, डिपॉजिटिंग इज अ पॉजिटिव इंटीजर. सो वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द बैलेंस इन द मोहन्स अकाउंट आफ्टर विड्रॉल. ओके, So let's start it. Deposit amount is rupees 2000. Withdrawal amount is 1642 rupees. Okay, so balance क्या करेंगे हम previous deposited amount से withdrawal amount minus करेंगे. So 2000 minus 1642. What do we get? So balance is what? Rupees 358. So thus the balance in Mohan's account after withdrawal is rupees 358. Okay. Now next question, question number 6. Rita goes 20 km towards east from point A to the point B. From B she moves 30 km towards the west along the same road. If the distance towards east is represented by positive integer, then how will you represent the distance traveled towards the west? By which integer will you represent her final position from A? Okay, read this question again. Okay, now see this line. Consider this line like a number line. Now this is the first position of Rita. Now when she goes first to the east side. Now if I consider this A as a 0 position, okay, 0 integer. Now the numbers on the right hand side are positive and numbers on the left hand side are negative. So first Rita goes from point A to B. Okay, so according to the number line, Rita move towards east is represented by what? Positive integers. And when she goes to the west, this is the west direction, it is represented by what? Negative integer. Okay, so distance from A to B. A to B, it is how much? 20 kilometer. Now after reaching to the point B, she again goes to the west side. West side means what? Again negative integer. So let us consider that after traveling to the west side, she reached the at position. Let us consider it as a C. This is the C. So from B to C. This is from B to C. How much distance she covered? That is a 30 kilometer. Okay. So what we have to find out? We have to find out the distance of Rita from this C to A. Okay. So distance from A to B is 20 kilometer. Distance from B to C is 30 kilometer. So to get the distance from A to C, I'll subtract this 20 minus 30. Since 30 is a negative because she goes on the west side. So 20 minus 30, answer is a negative 10 kilometers. So Rita is at final position from A to C is at 10 kilometers. Thank you for watching the session.